Hi friends, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you how you can create awesome looking DPs like this, so you can use them on your WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook and every social media websites wherever you want to use. So you can take a look at the different of varieties of DPs with the different backgrounds, while the foreground, I mean the subject being the same. You can create these kind of awesome looking DPs also within just 1 minute. All you have to do is just follow this video and subscribe if you like this video. By the way, all you have to do is just open your Chrome in your mobile phone or your laptop. Just type pfpmaker.com. This is a website which uses AI powered tool to make that kind of DPs. All you have to do is just hit on the upload photo button here, and you just have to choose one photo which picture you have to edit, like different backgrounds. It will take some time generating profile pictures, it says. So you just have to wait. Based on your internet speed, it will take some time. So you can take a look at these awesome looking DPs, so you can use them on your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, in WhatsApp also. And you can also choose the square shaped DPs, or you can also choose the round shaped DPs, or you can also choose round corners and extra rounded corners. And you can also edit your picture, and I mean, like, you can replace your picture without going back to the main page. And you can also reset, you can create from starting, and you can also choose the different type of palettes. So as you can choose, see, different type of palettes, different type of colors you can choose here. See, this is how you can create your DPs, so you can use them on your Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, everywhere. So if I want to download and use one picture, how can you do that? So that's the question. See, when you want to, suppose I want to download this picture, all you have to do is just move your mouse cursor to this DP, and you can see there is a button saying download picture and edit profile picture. All you have to do is just hit on this download picture button, and you can see that it was downloaded clearly. All you have to do is just hit on the download picture, and you can see that this is already downloaded. So this is how you can use them, these downloaded pictures. And you can also do this on your mobile phone. If you are using a mobile phone, all you have to do is just open pfpmaker.com. that's the website you need to remember. So this is how you can create cool and awesome looking DPs like this. So if you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thanks for